Good morning, guys. I'm sure all of you are really ready to enjoy beautiful life every single moment. I know you have a lot of questions about life. Because when we were child, we don't think about anything. We just enjoy, just play, and do what we want. And then become, uh, as we grow, as we start growing, everyone start telling us, you don't know, do this, you don't know this, do this, you don't know, do this, you are a good boy, you are a bad boy, you are like this, you are like this. There are so much questions. They start stopping us from doing a lot of things. Then we become confused what we must do, what we not. Then I must say that not every elders have great understanding. They are the way they have treated themselves, other people treated them. And I would say we start listening them. We don't know who they are, but what they are start telling us, we start believing on them because we don't know. Our mind is so sad and curious to learn new things. When we were humiliated, criticized by others, beaten by others, we got confused, we got fear from things. Because what the things make us hurtful, fearful, we start escaping from this, going away from that things. And I must say, parenting is a very beautiful thing. We must do this very beautifully and very consciously. Because if we do any mistakes, it have to suffer your children. So I'm requesting you, if you are a parents, so parenting your children so beautifully and so consciously. Don't do anything, don't say anything that the children must goes with that. They believe you because they understand, they assume that you are a god. You are evil humans. I am here and I am going to tell you that, and very important things. As we have grown, we start listening, then again we become frustrated listening so much people, so much interaction in our life. If we go to do anything, people interrupts. If we don't, people interrupt. Then what we do? In starting, people say do good things and do bad, not do bad things. Then become then when we grown and when we become stronger, we start doing that thing what they have told us. And even then, when we are doing good things or wrong thing, or not doing wrong things, even when they are criticizing us, blaming us, hurting us, and our body parts, mind also criticize us, then what we can do? What we have learned from this and what we are going to do this. And I'm going to tell you why it happens. You know what? In childhood, we don't have anything to tell. We don't have any understanding, but after grown, we start living the life we want. We don't want anyone to hurt us, to blame us. The way we are doing, what we are doing, be doing what our soul wants, not what you want. I have to satisfied to our soul, not to other person, because other person always there to criticize you, humiliate you, fear you, hurt you. And we are not same. No one is same. Everyone have their different body, different language, different culture. It could be same language, but their soul is completely different. Go to do their desire things. If we never do any our favorite things and what we want, what our soul wants, we never be happy. We can live with so much great successful people, even then we feel unhealthy, unworthy. Why? Because we are souls completely different from others. We cannot do what others do. We cannot feel what others are feeling. Sometimes it can be matched, but not completely. But everyone's feeling is different. Someone feels great miserable, some feels great happiness. What we can do then? You know, we are sent here by God. What is our purpose to live in life? What we want, what our soul wants. First is the most important question, what our soul wants, not what others want from us. Everyone who have succeeded, who have achieved so much in their life, even then they are vacant. Their place is there, unfilled. They also want validation to appreciate them, someone come and appreciate them. Why? Why we have addicted too much to taking appreciation from other side? Why we don't see ourselves? Why we don't look at our beauty of life? What is the thing that we have to gratitude for this? And I'm going to tell you. Don't need to listen to others. Don't need to what others are doing. Don't need to do what others from you. You are not here to complete them. You are not here to make them easy. Now you have elder. Now you have got a mature, and you have ability to choose. Then start doing the things that you want. It's not taste the fullness. In other person's eyes, is fullness, not on you. Tell me, you are not enough intelligent. Tell me, you are not enough mature. Then what is the thing that's hurting you? What is the thing that's stopping you from doing what your soul wants? And I'm telling you, you are the best version of yourself. Do the things you want. If you want to play, play. If you want to have, then do it. There's nothing that you are going to play with. Your body is a play. Your beauty is a play. There's no permanent. You also know that your soul is so pure, so powerful, respected, and do what you want. And I'm sure you have the capabilities, abilities to do things. You don't need to succeed. You don't need to achieve so much what other person has. You don't need to attract what other person has. You don't need to make desires what other person has made for you. Till ask questions from you what you want, not what others want from you. You're seeing the life you want, you cannot see another person's life. Everyone's desire is different, everyone's perceptions is different. Then tell me how we are saying our mind is so powerful. Tell me what is the reason of this? We are doing the things. Everyone's a lot of people who have succeeded, they tell us you must do something, you must do this. What about people? Money, so if we are taking care of food, eating, we can do. There's no need to earn no money. That is the perception of others. Because others want to see what others are doing, we have to do. No, it's their perception, their choice. The way you are living, the way you are, if you are happy, this will have to you. You don't need to follow anyone. You don't need to accept other person's choices. Accept you the way you are. Accept the feeling you want. It's up to you. If you want, then you can enjoy it, but you don't need to okay, you don't need to become so kind, so angry to others, not to yourself as well. If you are taking care of others, you must take care of yourself as well. Thank you so much for understanding me and listening me, giving your precious time for me. It's a lot to me. Try to apply it in your life and achieve what you want, not others want. What your soul wants. Ask questions from you every day. If it doesn't come any answer, it's okay. Ask every day, and one day definitely will come. Thank you so much. If your soul doesn't want others other success, that is a real beauty. Find out yourself, not others. Thank you so much.